Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, KavuCreative. Today, I will be designing a hospital logo step by step in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start. Double clicks on the Artboard tool in the toolbar. Check mark on Show Center Mark in Display section, then press OK. Make fill off. Select Rectangular Grid tool from Toolbar. Hold the Alt key and left-click on the center of the artboard. Write width and height as 200 pixels and write horizontal and vertical dividers as 4. Press OK. Select Shape Builder tool from Toolbar. Swap stroke to fill. Make shape as I do. Now, right-click on it and ungroup. Select all, hold Shift key and select shapes and press Delete key. Select all and make fill off. Select Pen tool from Toolbar. Make line as I do. Select top right square and select Direct Selection tool from Toolbar. Double-click on right corner point and write radius as 40 pixels. Press OK. Select line and select Direct Selection tool from Toolbar. Double-click on right corner point and write radius as 20 pixels. Press OK. Increase stroke size as 4 points. Go to Object menu. Select Expand. Press OK and select All and select Shape Builder tool from Toolbar. Make shape as I do. When you merge the shapes, a plus sign will appear above them. Hold the Alt key and remove the shape. When you remove the shapes, a minus sign will appear above them. Select all and change its color. Select Rotate tool from Toolbar. Hold Alt key and left-click on Center of Artboard. Right angle as 90 degrees. Press Copy. Press Ctrl plus D 2 times. Select all. Right-click and select Group. Now it appears. Fantastic! Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful and you have questions, please comment below. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you once more.